Hello everyone, this is Freyia and welcome to a new episode of A Discovery of Nordic Witchcraft. In this episode we are going to talk about the Shaman medicine bag. A medicine bag is an ancient item that spiritually represents the person who wears it. Medicine pouches predate recorded history. We know for a fact that they existed over 5,000 years ago after the 1991 discovery of the Iceman found in the Italian Alps with perfectly preserved artifacts that included a medicine pouch. The medicine bag is known in all cultures and throughout all of history. It is a proper spiritual container which often takes the shape of a small bag, usually made of animal skin. The reasons to carry a medicine bag are for guidance, healing, and protection. But the personal medicine bag was not for healing others, but to maintain personal harmony with the physical, spiritual, and supernatural. Also because the spirits might use the bag as a conduit or for temporary storage of an energy. What the bag contains is sacred and good medicine for the person who wears it. Your medicine bag is a personal or holy item. Carrying a medicine pouch on your hip or wearing one close to your heart will increase awareness of your own sacredness or the proximity of a particular guide. Sami people would construct a bag from birch bark tanned reindeer leather. Once done, they used to bless the bags with the fragrant smoke of pine needles. My very personal medicine bag has been handmade in 1915 Kiruna in the north of Sweden. It is made of reindeer skin and it has a reindeer stamped on both sides. My bag carries medicine from the north direction. I do vary some elements, but some others are steady. Reindeer represent introspection and intuition, blended with instinct, which represent the energies I want to carry with me. But this is my personal choice. There is people who work in fairly physical ways to determine ingredients for the bag. Others rely upon tradition, others upon the messages nature provides to them in the form of dreams, shamanic training, interpretations of their experiences in some other state of mind or dimension of being. How one experiences experiences and interprets nature is what helps to form the first list of these ingredients. With time, there will be other experiences and other objects of medicine that may have to be added to the medicine bag. In the end, it is the best traditions that you personally adhere to the most that these contents and their use must be based upon. I tend to carry, but as I said, some of the elements might vary. Tussilago farfara, a plant that grows wild here in the north of Norway for healing skin infections, bug bites and rashes. A small piece of reindeer antler to remind myself to always expand and not contract. A small piece of mica schist that heals all kind of internal disorders. A small part of a raven's feather to heal any kind of spiritual negativity. A small part of seagull feather to remove any lesion or other intrusions upon the body. Some hair from a reindeer, who is my most powerful ally. And finally, the three sisters of healing. A reindeer tooth, which is known as clan marker. Usually a claw or a tooth are considered clan markers. A dried juniper berry and a smultron wild strawberry seed that connect me to the abundance, healing, death, and rebirth cycles of the land where I live, as they inhabit the same land I live in. It is very important that the three sisters all come from the same place, as there is immense power in this triad. My medicine bag represents my spiritual bond to the land where I live, and the reindeer. The reindeer who dreams and shapes my world, the keeper of the dark, remembrance of the deep and powerful energy of the dream, silence in the stillness of my reality. The me who dreams the world into existence and then dreams it back into history, the humble keeper of sacred stories. That is what my medicine bag is all about. That is what I am all about. Thank you so very much for watching this video. Thanks for spending some of your time here with me today. It's been truly appreciated, and I'll see you all in my next video. Tack så mycket. Hej då!
I wanna go this under. I know we're going somewhere, into the danger zone. It all points right to that. I set myself aside, lead the way on this trial. If you don't know the way, we can stop and make a change. I know we walk for days, losing hope.